Renee Rejoice Regrow here, and I'm coming to you on a beautiful San Diego night, and I'm at the beach. And I wanted to just come to you guys just to say that sometimes we need to take some time to relax and just enjoy the view. I'm going to show you the view on the sand. If you can see, there are people just sitting here enjoying their night on the beach. I, again, just wanted to come and say hi and to let you know that you can like and subscribe to my channel. And again, this might not be garden related, but it is mental health related, okay? Look at this moon here and see if I can't bring her up even more. It's not every day you get to see the moon after one day of its existence. So it's a new moon. And again, I just wanted to thank you guys for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is the beach. Let me show you guys a little something. Just so you know, folks is out here trying to still get their party on, still get the things on, but they don't realize that this business as usual is not anymore. So they have basically taken all the restaurants and put them on the sidewalk. And so nothing is going to be the same anymore. There won't be any more. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I see a change coming around here, guys. And the change that I'm seeing is the new normal. Remember that show called The New Normal? Well, that's what this is, the new normal.